Alright, well, we've all seen all the iPod commercials, but let's find out what you can actually do with an iPod. I'm going to try to retrieve some data. So I am going to go to my website, and I have it as a favorite here. This is because I'm a dean of a school, and I have access to go in and do queries. And in this situation, there was a bombing in Paris, and I need to find out who's there and be able to contact them. So I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do is log in. So I'm going to turn the screen sideways so it's a little easier to see, and I'm going to focus in on this area here. And I'm going to type my username and password. Actually, I see I made a mistake up here. It's R. Parker. And I'm going to log in. And it's going to take me to my home page with all of my saved queries. So I can go in here and I can pull up my students who, as I said in this fictional example, are currently abroad. And I can read my list, and I can opt to go in and I can send an email to those students. I can send a text message directly to them. But in this case, I want to create a report based on that information. So I click the report button, and then I get all of my options, what kind of report I can create, and I can choose to add or subtract any of these different items in here. But essentially, I'm really just wanting their emergency contact information. So I'm going to go to emergency contact address and click on it. And I'm going to go down to the bottom and say create. Get my results. And here I've got a formatted report with all the students' names. We can get in closer and see what's the data we have here. We have the name of the student, the program they're on, when they're there, and all their emergency contact information. So I can share this information with whoever would need access to it. And that's how you can do reports quickly and easily using, in this case, an Apple iPod over Wi-Fi, but of course you could use an Apple iPhone. And we also have the option, as you'll see in other videos, of using Windows mobile devices.